And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Good morning, Sea Lions. I hope you have a fantastic week.
Cafe, we have lots of new books for you to sample here.
This is Sea Lion leader Layla Gregory with this week's announcements. Congratulations! It's the last week of the first semester. Enjoy your fun-filled week of learning and holiday cheer. Start the holidays off right by giving a winter gram to a special friend. You can purchase a winter gram before and after school on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Brag tags are being delivered on Monday afternoon and all Tuesday. Congratulations to all the scholars who have 4 or less absences. The PTA is hosting a teacher luncheon for staff on Tuesday. Thank you, parents, for all your support. New board members Matt Bragman and Farnaz Pardasani are being sworn in on Tuesday night at 6 p.m. at the district office. You can join the fun or tune in to YouTube to watch. First graders are going on a field trip on Thursday at 8:30. Enjoy your adventure. Teachers will get to enjoy a special holiday breakfast on Friday morning. Thank you for all you do. Winter grams are being delivered to classrooms on Friday. Thank you for spreading holiday cheer and supporting 5th grade activities. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Enjoy your winter break. Hey, Sea Lion scholars, what can you do to spread holiday cheer at McGaw?
Be delightful. Go help someone. Be kind.
To help people up.
We can help McGaw. Be helpful to my friends. Stop bullying. Celebrate more holidays.
I got the rubber.
All right, go ahead, put it in. Perfect.
Universal Transitional Kindergarten.
Our Rawbuck winner from TK goes to a student in Mrs. Barr's class. Congratulations to Bennett Hentz. It says here that Bennett is a natural-born helper. He anticipates the needs of others and is always ready to help. Way to go, Bennett. Thanks for being super special in Miss Barr's class.
Kindergarten.
Miss Melissa wants to shout out kindergarten student Ryan Anderson. She says, thank you, Ryan, for being a raw student. You saw milk that spilled all over the ground, so you helped clean it up. Thanks so much, Ryan.
First grade.
Guest teacher Miss LaBounty wants to shout out first grader Kaya Sablan. She said that Kaya was a responsible student and helped a classmate when they needed a partner. Thanks, Kaya, for making sure everyone was taken care of.
Second grade.
Congratulations to second grader who is showing responsible behavior. This student's from Miss Chavez's class. Way to go, Buck Hackford. Buck has been working so hard to be independent and responsible in class and while at lunch. We appreciate you, Buck.
Third grade.
Mrs. Aniceto wants to shout out third grader Costin Bowler. She says that Costin was helping a friend with a math problem so nicely and so politely. Thanks, Costin. You're a natural school leader.
Fourth grade.
Mr. Larson wants to shout out fourth grader Kurin Belyayev. He says that he was walking through classrooms and saw Kurin working with a partner, offering suggestions and keeping himself organized. Way to go, Kurin. That's how a scholar works hard.
Fifth grade.
The first of 2 fifth graders that receives a raw token is Ryder Rail. Miss Skinner says that Ryder had excellent behavior all week long at the lunch tables. He's been showing some positive leadership out there and listening to instructions.
Fifth grade.
The second fifth grader who received a raw token this week is Brandon Bagwell. Mrs. Spy says that Brandon was an incredible leader in choir class. He helped another student stay on track in such a kind way. Way to go, Brandon. You are a school leader.
Hi, Sea Lions. Will you be my friend? Yes. Let's go.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.